Carpe Diem Gas Safety Liner C2 here. Finally, I know that's what most of y'all are thinking. I am finally doing the second installment of Carter's Buses Civilix, whatever, however you pronounce it. And today is the much awaited B700. And I'm going to be putting it to the test today. I am actually in a terrain that I use on a normal basis. It's not, I don't use it the whole time, or a lot of the time, but usually whenever I first get a car, I'll take it here. So, well, not really most of the time, just sometimes I'll take it here and I'll mess around with it to see the durability. And we're going to be testing that out on this Ford today, the Ford B700. And I know most of y'all have been waiting for this, so I'm trying to make this one as best as I can. Next one will be the C600 or the C60, which is the Chevy or GMC version, whichever one he put. I think he put it down as Chevy. But yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and start. I just showed you the exterior of the bus, so I'll come inside and show you the interior. I haven't gotten any updates on this, so it is the same as what it was in that first initial video. So let's go ahead and start the bus up. Oh, and special thanks to Doggy. He actually told me a way to make my videos go a little bit faster. So if you want to get a little better FPS, turn down the vegetation. I could have sworn that I'd done that, but guess not. So special thanks to him, and hopefully my videos won't be as laggy now. So let's go ahead and start the bus up. Turn the volume up. Turn the lights on. Like I said in that initial video, flares are off. That's an easy fix, I would hope. These are really the only good flares right now as far as I can remember, because I actually haven't used this bus in a little bit. And hopefully I can see all the different controls, because I'm laying down right now, because I'm about to go to bed and whatnot. But I figured I might as well make this video for y'all. Get that noise out of there. Interior of the bus is the basic of or resembles, what am I saying, a actual bus from the time, which is a 92 Bird B700, 93 actually, but so that dash is probably one of my favorite Bluebird dashes compared, and then the second one being the modern one right now, the current one. These gauges down here don't move, and if y'all are wondering how to do that, click 7 on the number pad, and then to zoom back out, you can just click Control 7, if you have a number pad, that is. So, see, I usually keep mine around there. Anyway, these mirrors do work, these front two at least. They work pretty well. These side two mirrors do not work, neither does that mirror. The only bad thing I don't really like about this bus is that I can't really see out these windows right here, because they're tinted on the outside, but I don't think they're tinted, or they're tinted, they're just tinted and I can't see, but you can kind of see in there, which is a little strange. Let's see, does this back dash work? No, it doesn't. I thought it did. Guess not, but whatever. Let's go ahead and put it to the test. So we're going to come up here, and we will mess with it, see how much it can handle. Oh yeah, before I forget, there's this guy, oh, what's his name, gosh, whenever I need the name, I keep on forgetting it. Logan Southworth, I think that's what it was. He asked me to advertise for his company. There, that's your advertisement right there. I guess he'll post a link, because I don't remember the link. But it's his own RP, and let's see, it's his own bus RP. So if you want to check that out, I guess you can. 'Cause I'm not gonna stop you. That's not good. Ah, crap. Alright, fine. You're old and crappy. This is what you get for being a 21-year-old bus. You know, if you can't really pass that, I don't see how you're going to pass this other test. Ooh, what's this over here? I want to see. Cannon. I really don't even know what this is. Hate free camera. Okay. Ooh, is that supposed to shoot me out? No, I don't think so. So I guess I'll come back out here. Wait, whoa. It's not letting me out. Guys, it's not letting me out. Hello? Oh, there it goes. Why are my warning lights on? Huh. That's weird. I don't remember turning them on. Whoa. Alright. Now we're getting into the test zone. This is the fun part. Oh, and the only reason I'm doing this terrain is because I'm kind of getting tired of the other terrains. I want to use more terrains in my videos than just the standard ones that I normally use. So, if y'all have one that I should use, then let me know. I'll see what I can do. Whoa. Lots of yellow and orange here. I'm just noticing that. This looks black over here, but it really is orange. Alright, first test should be right here. Yep. Alright, so basically what this is it's a big obstacle course, and we're going to be doing some jumping first, so. Whee. Let's see. Tire. Alright, the next thing should be some quote-unquote stairs right there. Alright, now let's see. I remember doing this one time in the HDX, and that didn't really work out all that well, but hopefully we'll get some better results here. Built Ford tough. Maybe if I... No. Alright, fine. I'll drag you up, because you're a little wimp. There we go. Now, let's see. Do I have to drag you up here also? Gosh. You're a terrible bus so far. Uh-oh. That's not good. What happened? Come on. Alright, fine, I'll just drag you too. There, will that do it? There we go. There we go, that's not good. Nah, crap. What if I... Ah, dang it, I knew it. No, I shouldn't have done that. Ah, great. Now I get to go all the way back over there. Probably just be easier if I respawned. Well, that was fun. So on Tuesday I get my forms for my letter jacket. That should be interesting. But I can't think of what I want to put on the back under my last name. I mean, I'd put my normal username, SafetyLiner C2, on there, but it just doesn't really fit there, you know. It's just seems kind of unnatural there. I mean, I don't know what to put there though. I don't know. I mean, I could always leave it blank, but that's no fun. Loving those air brakes. So, if y'all have any suggestions, let me know, because I could consider them, but don't make it too cheesy, okay? Just please, you know. Whee, lots of fun. Yeah, our letter jackets are gold and red. I don't really like them though. I mean, I've seen a lot of letter jackets from our district. There's, let's see, gray and red. Those are probably one of my favorites. Purple and black, those look pretty cool. Let's see, what's ranch? You see, all of our schools start with Psi, so we just often refer to them by the second word. But you know, you get the point. Alright, you again. Let's see. Oh, and skins, I'm working on them. Just leave me alone, okay? I'm working on them, trust me, okay? I'll get them to you once they're done, okay? I've been kind of sort of super busy. That's not good. So please, please, please just leave me alone on those, because I know you want them, and you know, I do have a life outside of this, so outside of skins and ROR, I've got other important stuff, or important to me at least. Alright, let's see. Alright, come on, come on. There we go. Now you're gonna go. No, 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 no. Please don't do it this time. Yes, you did it. Alright, now let's see. What do I need to do now? I don't think I've ever gotten this far. Well, I guess we'll find out. Uh-oh. Oh, that wasn't as big of a drop as I thought. Oh, yes, it was a huge drop. Let's see. Let's see. What's next? Ooh, this looks fun. Looks like a giant eraser. Oh, that was fun. More jumps? Okay. I don't think I really get a choice on whether or not I want to do these. Uh-oh, that's better. Okay, well, what are you? Looks like I get to go on one of these. Come over here. I don't like that view. I'm just gonna stick with this. Oh, something is coming out of the driver's side. The bus is twerking. Guys, the bus is twerking. That's probably a bad sign. I mean, look at that, Tyler. Oh, Tyler, Tyler, Tyler. I don't know why, but I just immediately thought of you whenever I saw that. Justin, if you're watching this, make sure that Tyler sees that. Let's see. Oh, nothing here. Or maybe it's something invisible. I don't know. Guys, there's only 7 weeks left of school. Ah, crap. 7 weeks and I'll be a senior. And summer will be here. Oh no. I really want to help with the bus, but I'm not going to. Since it's already kind of messed up. Let's see, what else do I have to do? Then it goes the other way. I think. I hope. Let's see, fine, I'll help you. Just this once. What's it doing now? Why is it not going? Fine, I'll drag you too. Little baby. Let's see, what else? You know what? I'm gonna give up on the bus right now. You know what? No, I'm not. Because I don't give up on anything. Oh, maybe I should. Because this whole front dash looks kind of messed up. I mean, look at the stop sign. That's not even in the right place. I've only seen that on one bus, a stop sign being down there. And is it gonna come out? Okay, I guess not. Oh, that's the problem right there. That's kind of a major problem. There you go. Now you're back on your wheels. I would say feet, but buses don't have feet. Or do they? Oh, come on, really? This is when you don't want to work. I know if I press backspace, it's just gonna... You know what? I wonder if I turn off the bus. Let's walk, Bob. Bob and I are gonna go on a walk real quick. Right, Bob? Alright. Now we're gonna jump over all of these, so right now what I'm getting is the B700 is terrible at durability. But then again, I'm pretty sure that I can't do this with any bus. Come on. Speaking of other buses, I've got to put a lot more review videos up also, because I've gotten a few new buses. Meshed buses, and they're public, so. Just like that CE that I put up last night that I made a few days ago. But God knows when this will be uploaded. Alright, what's in here? A big ramp. I want to jump the big ramp. Gotta jump the big ramp. Gotta jump the big ramp. Gotta jump it. Yes! Why didn't I just do this earlier? See what this does. I honestly have no idea what I'm gonna get into here. Oh dang. Oh dang. Now really, I'm back at the beginning? That's all it was? That's all it was? Stupid. That's stupid. You know what? Let's go up there. See what's over there. I don't think I've ever been down there. Oh wait, yeah, I have. That's the entrance. Never mind. I thought the entrance was supposed to be on that. Oh crap! big blue tube. What's that? Let's see. Okay, how do I get up there? Let's see, it's a big slide. Alright, we're gonna ride a slide. Because slides are cool. Actually, I wonder if I can just go up from there. I bet I can. I bet I can't. You know, this bus actually is handling decently now. I really want to go on that cannon and see what it does, but... Uh-oh, what did it do? What the... What happened? Maybe if I... No, still. Alright, let's move you over here. And now try. Alright, maybe if I pull it up a little bit longer. A little bit further up. Heck, I may have to just put it in first gear. I know what I'll do. Okay, well this isn't going to work right now since it's not even going to let me go in reverse. Screw it. I'm still going down that slide, I don't care what anyone says. Alright, now, hopefully, when I spawn this, it won't spawn somewhere random. Perfect. You see, normally whenever I spawn a bus, it decides to spawn somewhere completely random. Like, it spawns, like, near you, but just at an inconvenient location. So, that's nice that it's where I wanted it to be. Let's see, I gotta go all the way over here. It's like 10:38, I need to go to bed. Because I have school tomorrow. You see, it's Sunday. I'll just jump this and then I'll go to bed. "7 weeks left of school." And some people are just not getting their spring break this week. I had a hiccup there. That's not good. Alright, let's see. FPS 14. Alright. Time to go. This should be fun. Maybe I need to go manual. Nah, that's too much work. I don't know why, but the quote that came to mind when I said that was, "If you're good at something, never do it for free." Anyone know what that quote's from? Props to them if they do. Or well, props to you if you know what it is. Oh no, oh crap. This is just not working out for me. Like, what the? It won't even let me... Hello? Hello? I just want to stop the bus. Alright, it's not even responding to me. Alright, I guess I'm done because, it's not going to work. Make sure you subscribe right down here. It's a magical red button that says you are now subscribed. Just save T-Line or C2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, over here. I don't know where they put it. I don't care where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up or you'll end up like this bus. And make sure you also share this video with a friend. Show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to a guy on a random street. I don't care, don't get raped. Top video up here will lead you to my latest and greatest video, whatever that is. And the bottom video down here will lead you to a random video. You have to click to see where it takes you. So yeah guys, thanks for watching.